Looking for a reliable and feature-rich Forex broker to take your trading to the next level? Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at Axi, a globally trusted online broker that's been serving traders since 2007. So stick around so you can decide if Axi is the right broker for you. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Axi is a global online trading broker that's been serving traders since 2007. From humble beginnings in Sydney, it's grown into an award-winning broker trusted by clients in over 100 countries. The broker offers razor-thin spreads, deep liquidity, and leverage up to 1 to 1,000, with access to more than 1,000 trading instruments. Traders can use the world-renowned MetaTrader 4 platform, enhanced with tools like MetaTrader 4 NexGen, Autochartist, and virtual private server hosting for uninterrupted trading. Beyond the platform, Axi stands out with strong educational resources through the Axi Academy, reliable multilingual customer support, and a reputation for trust and security. Axi combines trusted regulation, powerful technology, and innovative opportunities, making it a broker well worth considering. The broker gives traders access to a wide range of CFDs across major global markets. With over 70 Forex pairs, including majors, minors, and exotics, traders benefit from competitive spreads and fast execution. Beyond currencies, Axi offers more than 30 leading global indices, as well as commodities and precious metals like oil, natural gas, gold, and silver. Share CFDs are also available, with over 100 popular stocks from US, UK, and Europe to trade long or short. And for those interested in digital assets, Axi provides more than 35 cryptocurrency CFDs, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, all tradable on MetaTrader 4. Altogether, Axi delivers over 280 instruments, giving traders the flexibility to diversify across multiple markets. Axi is built on a foundation of trust, operating under strict regulation with licenses from respected authorities, including the ASIC in Australia and the DFSA in Dubai. This regulatory oversight ensures transparency, accountability, and peace of mind for traders worldwide. Security is central to Axi's approach, with advanced encryption technology and partnerships with leading cybersecurity providers to protect client data and funds, and all client money is held in segregated accounts. These measures create a safe, transparent, and reliable environment where traders can focus fully on their strategies. The broker offers a range of promotions designed to reward active traders and support their trading journey. Currently, traders can participate in cashback promotions, earning up to $100 or $720 based on their trading activity between July 1st and September 30th, 2025. These promotions are available to eligible clients and are subject to terms and conditions. To stay informed about the latest offers, the broker notifies eligible clients directly via email or WhatsApp. It's important to note that promotions and bonuses may not be available in certain jurisdictions due to local regulations. For more details on current promotions and their eligibility criteria, you can refer to Axi's official promotion page. Additionally, the broker offers their very own unique funded trader program known as Axi Select, which is designed to help ambitious traders step into the world of professional trading. The program is completely free to join, with no registration or membership fees, and offers traders the opportunity to access up to $1 million in funding based on their performance. In order to enter, you will need to meet specific eligibility criteria. Then traders will need to progress through 6 structured stages, with each stage unlocking greater funding and profit-sharing opportunities of up to 90%. Alongside funding, Axi Select provides a comprehensive support system, including real account trading, performance dashboards with leaderboards, an exclusive trading room, and live educational resources. With millions already paid out to successful participants, Axi Select is quickly becoming one of the most attractive pathways for traders who want to scale their careers to the next level. The broker offers traders powerful flexibility through its platform lineup. You can choose the industry-standard MetaTrader 4, which is renowned for advanced charting, expert advisor automation, custom indicators, and seamless access across desktop, web, and mobile. For a more modern toolkit, MetaTrader 5 delivers enhanced technical indicators, expanded chart types, an integrated economic calendar, and robust strategy testing, ideal for advanced traders. Plus, Axi's own Axi trading platform mobile application brings over 500 markets to your fingertips with intuitive charts, real-time data, and streamlined trade execution, perfect for traders on the move. Each platform requires a separate free registration so you can explore which one fits your style best. Additionally, Axi's copy trading application offers a seamless way to mirror the trades of top-performing traders across various markets. By linking your MetaTrader 4 account to the application, you can explore a community of traders, filter them based on profitability, risk level, and asset type, and automatically copy their trades in real time. The application provides flexibility to adjust your trade size and risk settings, allowing you to manage your investments according to your preferences. Axi's multi-account feature also enables you to manage multiple copy trading accounts with a single application, streamlining your trading experience. Whether you're new to trading or looking to diversify your strategies, Axi's copy trading app offers an intuitive platform to enhance your trading journey. The broker offers a range of trading account types to suit various trading styles and experience levels. Their standard account provides commission-free trading with spreads starting from 0.8 pips, ideal for those who are new to trading or those who prefer a straightforward approach. For more experienced traders, their Pro account offers tighter spreads from 0.0 pips with a commission of $7 per round trip per lot, catering to those who trade frequently and seek cost efficiency. The Elite account is tailored for high-volume traders, offering spreads from 0.0 pips and a reduced commission of $3.50 per round trip per lot, along with additional benefits such as virtual private service and Autochartist access. All accounts support MetaTrader 4 and offer leverage up to 1,000 to 1, with a minimum deposit of $5 for standard and Pro accounts, and a larger deposit for the Elite account. Additionally, Axi provides swap-free accounts for clients who cannot participate in transactions involving interest, ensuring compliance with Islamic finance principles. Each account type is designed to meet the diverse needs of traders from beginners to professionals. Additionally, the broker offers a free demo trading account, which is an excellent way to practice trading strategies without any financial risk. It offers $50,000 in virtual funds and mirrors real market conditions, including live spreads and execution speeds. You can choose between standard or Pro account types, select your preferred base currency, and set the leverage up to 500 to 1. The demo account operates on MetaTrader 4, the world's leading trading platform, and is accessible via desktop, mobile, or web. Once you're ready, you can convert your demo account into a live trading account by making a deposit. Creating an account with Axi is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Open Account button. Next, submit your country of residence and fill out your personal information, after which you will need to create your preferred trading account type. Keep in mind that if you are opening a live account, you will need to validate and verify your personal information in order to open a live account, or you can simply open a demo account. After you have chosen your preferred trading account type and have opened your account, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with Axi. At the top left of the dashboard, you have your market watch. Here you can browse through and switch between all of the broker's available market instruments. In the center of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. At the top of the chart, a variety of chart types, drawing tools, and indicators to help you customize your chart according to your preferences. If you are new to trading and are new to any of the broker's available platforms, Axi provides a wide variety of helpful educational content, such as video tutorials, to help you understand the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. The broker offers a wide range of secure and convenient payment options for both deposits and withdrawals, tailored to your country's residents. These include credit and debit cards, bank transfers, e-wallets such as PayPal, Skrill, and Neteller, as well as cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. For residents in specific regions, additional methods are also available. Deposits are typically processed instantly or within 1 business day, depending on the method, while withdrawals may take up to 5 business days, especially for bank transfers. It's important to note that withdrawals are generally free if they exceed $50, or if you're withdrawing your full account balance, otherwise a $25 administration fee may apply. To view the full list of available payment methods and their specific details, be sure to visit Axi's deposits and withdrawal page. The broker offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources designed to support traders at every stage of their journey. Their flagship offering, the Axi Academy, provides free interactive online trading courses created by professional traders. These courses, accessible anytime on any device, include written content, videos, and quizzes, allowing traders to learn at their own pace. Whether you're new to trading or looking to refine your skills, the Axi Academy offers a range of courses to suit your needs. In addition to the Academy, Axi offers a variety of other educational materials. Their free ebooks cover topics from Forex fundamentals to advanced strategies, providing in-depth knowledge to help traders make informed decisions. The Axi blog features regular updates with market insights, trading tips, and industry trends, helping traders stay informed about the latest developments in the financial markets. For those who prefer visual learning, Axi provides a collection of educational videos that explain key concepts and demonstrate practical trading techniques. These resources are designed to enhance understanding and improve trading skills. So whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your trading expertise, Axi's educational resources offer valuable tools to help you succeed in the financial markets. The broker also offers their own News and Analysis Hub, which is a comprehensive resource designed to keep traders informed and ahead of market trends. The hub features daily insights from Axi's in-house analysts and contributors, covering a wide range of topics. Traders can access expert commentary, technical analysis, and fundamental perspectives to enhance their trading strategies. Whether you're looking for market forecasts, trading tips, or updates on global financial events, Axi's News and Analysis Hub provides valuable content to support informed decision-making in the dynamic world of trading. Over the years in service, Axi has garnered over 35 industry accolades, underscoring its commitment to excellence in online trading. Notably, the company secured 2 prestigious titles at the 2021 Global Forex Awards, namely the Best Forex Affiliate Broker Program in Europe and Most Transparent Forex Broker in the Middle East. These honors reflect Axi's dedication to innovation and client trust, further affirming its industry standard. Axi was also recognized as the most innovative proprietary trading firm by Finance Feeds and honored with the Best Funded Trading Program Award at the ADVFN International Financial Awards. Some other notable awards worth mentioning include the winner of the Best CFD Provider in 2021, the Best Forex Provider in 2023, and the Best Forex Trading Platform by the Online Money Awards. These accolades collectively attest to Axi's unwavering commitment to providing top-tier trading services and fostering a positive environment for both clients and employees. Overall, Axi stands out as a reputable and well-regulated online trading broker, offering a comprehensive suite of services tailored to meet the needs of both novice and experienced traders. With its foundation dating back to 2007, Axi has established a strong presence in the global trading community. The broker is regulated by esteemed authorities such as the UK's FCA, Australia's ASIC, and the Dubai Financial Services Authority, ensuring a secure and trustworthy trading environment. Axi provides access to a diverse range of markets, including Forex, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, catering to a wide array of trading preferences. Traders can choose from various account types, such as the Standard, Pro, and Elite account, each designed to suit different trading strategies and experience levels. The broker also offers advanced trading platforms and its very own proprietary platform, equipped with tools like MetaTrader 4 NexGen for enhanced trading capabilities. For those interested in social trading, Axi's copy trading platform allows traders to mirror the strategies of experienced investors, providing an opportunity to learn and potentially profit from their expertise. Additionally, the broker's commitment to education is evident through its comprehensive educational resources, including webinars, tutorials, and ebooks, designed to help traders enhance their skills and knowledge. Axi's blend of regulatory compliance, diverse market access, advanced trading tools, and educational support makes it a compelling choice for traders seeking a reliable and comprehensive trading experience. And that is our overview of Axi. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.